Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix System UI isn't responding freeze on your Motorola Signature smartphone. To fix this issue, we have to force restart our Motorola, and we can do this by pressing and holding the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds. So let's press and hold it together. Keep holding it. Okay, and once the screen of your device goes off and you see the logo of your smartphone back on the screen, that means that your device is restarted, and now you just have to wait for it to turn back on, and this should fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.